Writing and Listening Classes. Class 8. In this class, we will look at researching and writing. First, let's look at researching. When trying to find information for your essay, it is important to look both in libraries and on the internet. The internet will probably be the main place that you will get information from. It commonly has the most recent information and with a wider range of topics and data that is available in books. However, the internet will be influenced more by contemporary concerns such as political and ideological bias. The library, though older and with a narrower range of information, will nevertheless have very important information within it. Remember to use both the library and the internet for research. So, when using search engines, both on the internet, such as Google and Bing, and in libraries to find the books that you are looking for, keywords and the search methods that you use are both very important. Keywords are the main words that you are looking for in the question that you are trying to answer. For example, if we wanted to know the amount of electricity generated in Japan in 2015 by solar power, we might break the question down into what, where, and when elements, like this. These keywords will help to make your search much more specific. Next, remember that the search methods are also very important. Search methods can be used in most search engines. 3 of the most basic ones are to use quotation marks, the plus symbol, and or. Quotation marks around the words that you want to search for will make it so that in the document you are searching, those 2 words appear next to each other in one chunk of information. If you use the plus sign, you will add Japan and 2015 or some extra data to that search. This will help tighten the specificity of the results that you find. You could also include or other additions to help you find more data. This kind of search method use will cut down search results from 16 million down to only hundreds or thousands. After this, of course, you will have to find the best sources by yourself. Moving on to writing. When writing, try to write using free writing or structural writing, or a combination of the 2. Free writing and structural writing both have benefits and drawbacks. The benefits of free writing are that it is easy to start, it gets your ideas onto paper where you can see them, and it is very good for short bursts of writing. On the other hand, its drawbacks are that you often need to edit heavily. Free writing is very flexible, so it doesn't often create a structured essay or paragraph. As such, it is often difficult to erase the bad parts. People do not like to erase work that they think they have done. Also, you will need to support your writing with citations. It is sometimes difficult to add citations after you have written something, so please be aware of not to write too much using free writing. Structural writing is very organized from the start. It is easy to stay on topic and can be written in stages. However, it often feels much slower than free writing. It can appear rather mechanical, by just using set phrases and set words, and it still needs support with citations. So, hopefully you can use a balance of these two approaches to write your essay. Remember what we discussed in class. Remember to focus on the structure and the focus or the main point of the essay while you write. For homework, please do the vocabulary study, words 251 to 300, the listening, which is Unit 8. Hopefully this will be the 8 units that you need for your listening credit. And remember to continue writing your essay draft. Your essay draft will be due in 2 weeks in Class 10, so don't waste the time. Thank you for listening, and see you next class.